what's happening is we're going out Hungarian partridge hunting right now, and got my good friend Mark Taverniti from the West Coast here. We hopefully we're going to spot some. We're just going to try a chance, and maybe there's some along the edge of this wheat field. Good boy, die my man, die my buddy, good boy. There you go, we got us our first Hungarian partridge. There we are. That is delicious. Get the cutter on them, full feathers out, they're good. These are probably one of my number one favorite game bird to eat. These are, the best. I love quail, I love duck, I love dove, I love it all, but this one is the best. Good boy. Let's go find this other one.